there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to pin comments on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the comment section and select any of the comment. Here you will see an option of pin. My here is not occurring, but in your phone this will option occur, that pin comment. You have to click on that pin option. Your comment will be pinned and that comment will occur at the top. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.